Guys, thanks for tuning in to another awesome video. We just got done riding 142 miles through the mountains of Berlin, New Hampshire. So our machines are all muddy. So what I'm going to do is show you guys a detailer that I like to use. But before I hit my four-wheeler with this detailing spray, I'm going to clean this all off with the power washer. I have other videos that show the power washer that I use. It's in my Amazon store. Works pretty good. So clean all the heavy stuff off, and I'm going to use the detailing spray, show you how well it works, and it's pretty awesome stuff. I started using it a while ago. These guys didn't give it to me. I bought it on my own. You can buy it right out of our Amazon store. I'll put a link in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, click on the link, shoot over to our store, buy it right out of there. I haven't used anything like this at all that, you know, it'll make your four-wheel look awesome. It'll work on the frame. I've used it on my suspension parts. When I had my Honda 450R, I was able to use it on the aluminum wheels. It didn't cloud it up. It made the rubber tires look great. I can't say enough great stuff about the product. It works really well. But enough about that. Let me get this cleaned up and we'll use it, and I'll show you how it works. So the stuff I've been using is this Maxima SC1. It's this new bike in a can, and it's pretty much the truth. This stuff works pretty awesome. So I've got my four-wheeler all cleaned up now. I just power washed it off, and let's go to town with the spray. You'll see how well it works. So before I use the spray, I'll take some close-up video. I power washed all the wheels off, got all the mud out of it. I missed a few spots, but got all the heavy stuff off. Like right here, you can see the plastic. This is pretty clean. It went over it with a pressure washer as well as a sponge and some soap. But we're gonna go over this with the spray. But I wanted to get some close up in the video because the video hides a lot, so I wanted to show you guys how well this stuff will work. See, this is what my seat looks like. Gonna kind of take a walk around. This ATV has a lot of plastic at the front, and the stuff will make it look brand new again. So I'll show you some more close-ups, some watermarks here, but this will all clean up. You can use this on the wheels and tires too. It'll make them look brand new, especially like all your plastics and everything. It'll look really good. I have this storage compartment. It's a 2-up seat, so we'll hit it with this as well. And back here, we'll spray down some of the suspension components, and I'll show you guys the results afterwards. So once your ATV is dry, that's all you need to do is spray the stuff on and get yourself like a clean rag, dry rag, and wipe it off. Just kind of spray the area. So you can do a couple of things with the spray. You can either spray it and wipe it off, or you can leave it on and it'll help to resist mud sticking to the panels of your ATV. If I see some drips, usually I'll wipe it off. If I spray too much in one area, alright, I'm going to hit the top of the stuff. Just kind of work your way around your ATV or your dirt bike or whatever you're using this on. Watch right in here. This makes a huge difference. It'll make the plastic look brand new again. It'll help keep mud from sticking to it. You can spray it on your tires, your wheels. So you can spray this on your suspension components too. It makes like everything look brand new again. It'll help to keep like the mud off. It'll help to keep the mud from sticking to everything. Try to keep it off the exhaust. You don't want it on any hot engine parts or anything. I sprayed around the engine area on the other side, but it's covered in plastic, so it's not right on the engine. So I'm going to hit my 2-up seat with this too. This stuff's great too on all your brake cables. You can see how they're all grimy. Just be careful of getting this like on the controls, like your clutch or your on this quad. It's a ump, it's a brake, and your hand grips, because they can become slippery. So you just kind of can hit all your cables with this stuff, and your boots, and your mirror heads. And I hit the controls. You can see that everything's like nice and shiny. So you kind of do the inside of the wheel well too if you want. Hit all the suspension pieces. And then it'll help keep all this stuff from getting all muddy. All the mud caking onto it anyway. I mean, it's gonna stick, but it'll help. Alright, so what we're going to do this one too. This King Quad's a little bit older, so we'll do a quick before and after. You can see all the plastics and stuff. Once we put the spray on, it's going to look really good. We just washed this one too yesterday, but my son did it, and he's not as crazy as I am with washing things off. So this is what it looks like right now. And then we're going to hit it some spray. Try to get out some of this grime off. Okay, so I'm done detailing both ATVs with the spray. And I'll go to this one first because I just showed you what it looked like. Do a quick walk around, and it brought the plastic right back out. I mean, it's a little scuffed and stuff, but it's hard to not scuff plastic on these things. But it'll keep your ATV looking great. And I'll go back over to mine, which we did first, and I hit everything with the 2-up seat. And for the 2 4-wheelers, I used almost a can. I should have bought some more. I should have known better, but the stuff works really well. And let's do a quick walk around, and it'll bring you like your bumpers back to life. It works awesome on your wheels and tires too. And I'll go around the back. And the suspension looks pretty good, it's pretty clean. So I'll show you the controls. Cleaned all this up with the spray. Like I said, be careful of the hand grips and any brake levers or clutches. But hit the back side of the mirrors with the 2. Wiped everything down. So everything looks pretty shiny. So I don't get excited about too many things, but this stuff works really good. You can buy it right out of our Amazon store. There's a link in the description to it. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of great material coming out. Thanks for watching.